Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kalapan benapai ba minta kasngi ka santarik ubnai nailar arajar arpuway ya ka result jong ka examen secondary school leaving certificate but kumju ru ya ka result jong ka higher secondary school leaving certificate haba pai sha ka HSSLC ki Khynnah jong ka St Anthony's High Secondary School but ki Khynnah jong ka St Edmunds College kilala ban kamle bha ha ka ba ka Kyrdan ka Nyngkong ha ka first 10 la yo da Daniel Ksanbor krem mujan jong ka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Nalor ka St Anthony's but ka St Edmunds ki way pat ki balala ban poi sha ka Kyrdan first 10 position ki dai iway na ka Lady Keane College but iway pat na St Mary's Higher Secondary School Haba pai pat sha ka secondary school leaving certificate ne ka matrik ka St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kalala ban lebha ha ka ba Khynnah school jong ka school u Kevin Strong Laurinyang ula bat ya ka Kyrdan ka Nyngkong ha ka first 20 but ula yo some spa hanyo pun real marks but ka distinction ha baro ki subject ka Batesi TV kalayo ban yakren ya ki Khynnah ki balapoy ka Kyrdan ka bahakmat jong ki artli kini ki exam balayo ru ban yakren bat ki kmi ki pa jong ki bat kumju ru bat ki principal jong ki school jong ki
Kemen ha amal pangaklam mundur ban yo ka merit risk ya te ngala kemen han amal ka hard work juna getting free system juna te kala pay off on ka kadang bon kecing apart mo with offline and online tanpa dapat yang kita ki online lectures bagi part na hikai kalau pembedaan classroom ni asyam na kidan bang yo connectivity bahai yang itu tanpa ngata ngala free system ngala bo itu ka extra effort ban puli bahai ki topic itu yakin ban pek bahai ki lectures tu mà ai kỹ năng thế, cũng bắt lại trên tay na mic na bố bị kapor bằng relax ấy, dengan bố kapor bằng fully cut, kan kai bagi parlok ini discuss lagi topik itu, kalau kam suatu hal saya dah discuss lagi bagi parlok lagi topik itu, kam lang thara bagi topik itu, deh, tak supaya orang dan reach topikตั้งแต่ตอนที่มาจึงเป็นต้องเป็นการยารับวิธีมาฟินและกิจสตีมัน consistent บัดที่จริงคุยจงที่บัดนักว่าบัดทั้งไอคุยไปอย่าง principle จงบัดที่นักไกด์บัดที่พาร์ลอบจงบัด
อันนี้กันจริงเขาคือแม่นที่น้ำละคือที่เตี้ยน้ำละคือบันปัจจัยที่kalau long ke ba ngara expect ni don kan kani ka position but day na ka play si tom ko but ka jing don lang jong pinong kai kala pen yo pan ba ke ni so jong kan ko ka jing yo ka position mo kalau ka men sebab palat kani kani ka jing play si tom jong ko no personally but ngaju encourage ya ba nak ba ko kelas kan ha ko badan jing kai ko concentrate ha but ilum kan pada tuition ba kata-kata kita tambah concentrate harus nak faham but try si tom nak dalam diri kita faham sebab apa but of course kita kan bagi nong kai kata dia ko faham tam do dia kata ini online class kita kam kalau don ni jing jadi obor kasi long man perkhidmat itu bagi pemberian internet connection di badan sejenai kalau kata hari ni silong fortunate ba ni la badan pun kami kalat tapi yang ni ke online class tu kalau ko jing perkhidmat online buat offline kadang dia kaya ke babon na market interaction ke babon pada sidang offline mereka ke online pada kalau buat nak hak sulit tu marui dalam dia lagi sempat haki yang kemudian approach ya ke online class kan.
The joy is overwhelming and I can't really express it in mere words because it was something that was unexpected in the first place. Well, the first thing was we had to stay indoors. We could not move out and in this way we lost the interaction that we were supposed to have with our teachers through the offline classes. So everything was had online the the classes and even the tests and assignments too. So that was one of the major hardships while our preparation for the HSSLC examination. Well, the fact is that there's no secret as such. It all depends on your hard work and the best effort that you put in. Because if you put in your best effort in whatever you do, it can be in your studies, it can be in your the work that you do, or the sports that you perform. If you give your best effort, the result or the consequence that you'll be getting from it will be the best for sure. And it must be notified here too that the success of any student, particularly in an examination like this, it is, I must say, a cooperation between the students and the teachers. Because the student himself, he may find hardships while preparing, but if he approaches teachers, I'm very sure they will be willing enough to help him. Well, the only message that I have is that give your best in whatever you do, and the result that you'll yield will be the best for sure.
It was nice to see that you've achieved the goal, and right from the starting, I could see that you are a very serious person who really focus yourself in your studies, and this is what you have shown example to many other students. And I think it is because of your determination, you're well focused on your goal, and your love to the school, the staff, and you want to bring glory to God. And finally, this is what you have done. So keep it up. Wishing you all the best for your future endeavors. Okay? Yeah. And Daniel has always been a very simple boy. He came from a very poor family, and through his struggles, he knows the limitations of the family, and he keeps on struggling and he keeps on working. And through my life example and my encouraging words, he has kept up that he will do well always in whatever he does. He will give his best, and this is what makes me also happy to see a simple boy from the place, not from the village, right?
No, from Malki.
Okay, from Malki. Yeah, he's been very well focused, and I could see even sometimes during school time he would be remaining alone, quiet, and he would be spending his time on reflection, on books, on studies. And this is what I feel that now this is the need of the time, when many young boys and girls are so busy with social media. But here is a student who knows how to utilize and balance his life, and who gives himself teach a lesson to all others, that if there is no easy path in life. Life is a choice, and he has chosen the best choice of focusing and doing and give his 100% in his duty. Congrats once again, and keep it up. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are really happy that our students have once again, proven themselves. And now it's not only the HSLC but SSLC too. We have 4 students who have made it to the merit list. So we are really very happy. Well, when the pandemic started, we were thrown into this wild sea, as I might say. It was really very difficult for us because we are not really trained in online teaching. So it took us quite a number of weeks to get the hang of teaching online and to get all the students on board. As soon as we got the students on board, as soon as we handled their problems as well, the problems which included students not having their own phones to use, as soon as we handled such problems, we straightaway started off with the classes. In spite of that, we did have problems with the connection, the network. So both teachers and students did face that problem, and we made it up some way or the other by being available for the students the whole day. Although we had timings for classes, but we made sure that if students had problems, had doubts, they could clarify and text us personally any time of the day. First of all, I would say that we are blessed. Secondly, the able leadership of all the principals who have taken up the mantle. And third, we have both the teachers and students working together. I would like to clarify one point here, that we have all calibers of students here. We do not have only the meritorious students, but what we do is we try to identify the weak students and we give them special guidance. We help them so that they will not only just pass their exam but do well. I would just like to say that continuous effort, continuous hard work with full sincerity is going to surely help them succeed. Secondly, there's always patience and perseverance that they have to have, and not to forget the power of prayer, because this cannot be done, we cannot achieve anything without the help of the Almighty. Thank you.
Shamba o mata snam mo na do pastang snam hing yo tang hiat ha po ban wan school te kum tu la kum banai liber kum tu ngila astang no daki online class but kidan he kijing nomor bangi kham yo ban shong ha school te mlong mio pelit jimut ba ma ban pet jikin kai ban batai tengah sham kidan kijing tang ba ka we pa dia ka ba pelong ban yo ki result ba pha ka de ka jing minat na di hi da fi minat hi da fi nang hi ban wa di ki jba binang ban kali moi kin kai ba su thu ta hi ka ba pelong yang na ba laban poi syuruk kan ni Kyrdan Kaba pertama but kidan kum tu banai Oktober kum tu ngina dan offline classes di bagi tu ki por hi bang ayo phaban kali ni kina kai ki bang am tip ki bang nga suthu ki bang am suthu ya gitu ki por hi bang ngala ban cope up dan ni ban pendap hai ki ban create ni ban pendap ha moi ki jing kuliah hajing suthu jangan tikala bet ka offline hi online te bun teng ka internet kam nya bha hap shu ya ngap video kum tu ni audio ka basan kina kai ni shupek kum tu ki Google ni ki YouTube te ngasham ba hamla ba hikai bet ha school hi offline bet kadang-kadang liang ru kadang bet ka we ka liang ka bha kadang bet ka liang ka besneo kadang-kadang bentar ru ngasngol dia mata social media ru dada finang mat pendan kam hai ka ru kalong bet ka bha da finang mat pendan kam da fi pendan kam ka besneo kalong hi ka besneo ti ngasham ba mata oling ba ki YouTube ru ngala haban mo kin tu ginang kai YouTube ngam itu ire gider ngapet ni kitor ki ai jing matai ba bha ha ti ngasham ba ho ka we ka liang ka bha ka we ka liang ka besneo mga sini ngaru ngadun snong te snong ngate pa ka network sti kam dalong pha te dan sini pat kalong pha ngasham ba yaki ho kalong jinja tang ba kila ayo por pa de ngate ba kadan ka por lag pamala lai banai ki yo por pa de ban lich school tinga try kila ban penan kam gitu ka por ban keli mo na ki hinong kai kai bagam su thu gitu ka por kila ban batai kam de tang bangin shu pet tang ya ka naka online ni ban up kami tang ka online nomor ni layo por ban Oktober November December ki snam atau ki banai layo por ban one offline tinga try kita ki por ki la hi ban ya keli nang kai ki bagam su thu da sao hundred kun tahi tak tahi mga pelipor minta por online li tentang hal yang layo atau ban pej kelas minta yo than ban krepat tabah kitu ki por bayo de sao hundred kun tahi minta je buat ban continue ban science stream te yang patep kan ka barang ya kan tin jo kan sai lam ni boleh ngasuka ban ong ba hakajing embryo te udi boleh hi bayalam lenti udi boleh hi badai ni nadu bas dang snam tika ki ka bangila ban ne kanong ban IT ya lidi ya ki bor kam shu boleh kabar kalong ban minat ho kam de teman syukre kat aku sal kenta pilih ban ko ke pinang ban bu ya kapor kan lu ban ya kai kan lu ban kre kat ban kam tam ban bu nu pai lidi ban minat ha
det ni mar ba kum kini ka pol ni ma ya kan ja pandemic mo kum bagalong jelas ni di masuk pa pada kalong ba kada ni gi utho ibu kon ba nam juput ka long pa pu thor ya dia ban wat ikilat di ban yo ban suatu ya ki jinge makam school si dan kam hi ka disu tanya ka ju ka konsep baru kelek mo ikwa ba nakaliang gi pa ka bangidang la hi ban support yang ko ni makan pule pati kalong ba ikwa ban ra no daka la ba ni la ni seng di jong ka institute good institute maka ka start ko kan kai ki na bakin kumno maka ka land ka posin ka thong ko kan start ka jong ki ban construct ni jong school jong school to kan start
the first batch who paid for exam was 1990. The first rank holder was from our school, St. Margaret's. First rank holder. And every year we keep on getting rank. You know, first of all, I am really grateful to God because of His grace and blessings that we are able to, that our girls have come out successfully in the results. Secondly, I really thank the parents of the students who took care of them in this pandemic period, that because their cooperation and their support towards their children, that they have done well in the examination. And our teachers also have been very hardworking with the students. In the midst of pandemic, they were having online classes regularly. giving them tests through Google Form and many other forms. And we do have offline classes from the month of October onwards till January and February. So it's not a work of one person alone, the work of so many people, the students, the parents and the teachers, and with God's grace. We always prefer the offline and classroom teaching than the online. When we can't have it, then somehow we have to manage it. There are 105 of them appeared. They all passed with all the 6 subjects. Then we have got 4 of them who got position, 6, 7, 11 and 14. And we have got highest marks in social science, 2 of them, in computer 1, in health education 2. We have 41 star marks, letter marks in English 14, in alternative 2, MIL 35, in mathematics 39, science and technology 36 of them, social science 34, health education 34, computer science 15.
Nyngkong ngas ngo kemen namar ngakam expect shisha ban yot dobles namar kumbalang pertai kumnele kam expect shisha hendre nga aingo pada ki teachers ma wala ngibun ki jungduna hendre ki kloi bet banyarak ini apa nu kaparu ngas ngo kemen shi buan ban nga aingo ki bun but kam tam yu ble ula pella yang mo begini nila ban yo kat yo ni so ba bahama ka uso jang ka jingjang kabang bu ki jing bu jing perkat kalang ba kau ka kentian ka baang time is precious. Te kum mani kena lengi bon ha ki distractions ki am tang ba ngi haban bu jingmur bet bal ngi haban le menta lani never thing either it is now or never. Te kata ka bang ashit bu bet te bangin yo ban boy sha ka bangin habet ban treshi tam te ban bo ki jing ki rompong ki shadian ken. Ngwa ban ong ki ve ba wajud tiang bawa la fi ma di kijeng fi singa kom banum la fi singa beki beri ki kran banya fi hendre waju ai bakin penduk men sim no fi hendre ba fin try bet kat ba finang la ti ngala singa ngatiang shisha nama ngam te yu banja hendre ngashu IT be ho ble nomor ba modai ma u ba pen ya moi ke bara kani ka jing pole Nyngkong ki teachers na duk bas dang ki online class ro ngish dan kini ki counselor jangi principal jangi lang in ishet I mean siam jangi bangin le ma bangin ya give up ma te i principal le kam tam ila ya rap ha ken jangi te i principal jangi de bashet shan physics te ya ile ngish buan ki kena ki bashet nama ka physics ya ki buan ha ki numerical sebab ki ba ma bangi la ban solve hidala dia hele maki pada through kini ki videos ki audios ki chat san kom tu ya rap paro ki teachers ki chat le kom ta but de ling ba kita ken bangi la ban smutho ba shu ke
dan Nyngkong do te kadan ka jing sngo tiang dia ba ka bangam nam disappoint di mai pa la ni kinahikai te akan la mudur ban ki sidukan ni hi tamba Nyngkong tengah ai ngo ble bo ula ya rap bo ula dan dekat bang ha kini ki sengi ki exams ki balak lek te aso komen ru apa bala yu dan ka jing yam jing komen ru baro ya ho kadang jing smohun palan Jonga kumba ang I parlak ngahi long kampat dalam spesifik tan pat dan you te ngatumo ndai banle kadan ka you nama ngadang tumo you minta ban you yaka pursue hakani ka medical science te aspek nturu kidang dan kismi ki snam ru bandang dan ban berkat te kawe bang aku ban ong te mendai kumba ang iparlak ngahi WhatsApp tiang ya ka bo be ka jing duai blai bo shwai blai khamat ki te fin salakan te kalong ba fide ban tresh tom nala de hi fide ban bo be ka jing duai de ban tresh tom khnang ba fila ban kunjo e to ka thong ba fin kiu fin ra e ka nam ka buram jang mei pa ne jong ka school jong ki no hikai te mendai ban tiang la ne ban sap tiang handai le ka ba fila handai barok ka shong ha blai hi Oki kidan ki ba ai man siam ru yanga kum ki no hikai kham tam e mei pa jang ai bala yu yanga te bon sian ki she ang be ba
le tips ngi shwa kata te kalong you can baro ka ba fi you min support be fi te fi de ban you can fi de ban long strong willed aden fi de ban trish tom hinala de ba fin la ken ban kan so eta ka thau Nyngkong ngakwa ban ai ngot ki blai ba yo ki ikani ka family bala support ba yang kino hikai khamtam ki bala yarap yang hakani ka hakini ki por banang na school khamtam le hakani ka por ba longkum de kila trish tom ba lingba kini ki online classes ki ban yarap ini
Ngatai kum principal sha ka Nyngkong bat kum kinai kai ni dan ka jikso sarong mo jikso kamen na ka benta kani ka results ka bangi yo kani ka sngi but ningit bagade hi ka jing kerku ka jong play ya kini ki Khynnah school ki jongi ringkat ikinai kai bagi ai ka ba hatam ya ka ka bagi ki pen kre ki Khynnah school ya ka bagi pen kre bat kum juri ikinai kai link ba ki online classes namar the whole of 2020 kapor bagi jong class dan ki Khynnah te kan dia yang yo ya ki offline classes di kata ka de ka kong jik sngo ka jong ki ni expect kum ka school hi ni la yo I ka jing la jong ki Khynnah ya kini ru angut ki badan hang bat kum ju ru ya I be tu I ba la badan ka ban hang ni yo I capacity jong ki mo kemudian ka jing la ki jong ki na do ki dang jong class 7 class 8 andre hakapor bagi di jong class 10 kala don ni ka jing sngo diaw ka jong I ta ka ba ngitip bagi Khynnah ki de ki ba biang ba ki ba de ban kot hi ka thong gen but ni la perkat ba ling ba jong ni online classes hadu kat no kin la andre ka ban Nyngkong ka bangas ngoban ai ngok menta kalong ba ye ki Khynnah hi kila bo ya ki their best efforts kani ka de ka jingle ka jong ki de ru ringkat ba jong ki no hi kai namar ba ka bobon hi ka kam ki hapat ka kia dala de ni le prapo nyong ni pas le paro ya kani ka pass percentage hi lalong try mentala khat san snem tam nim ju fail cho mo ti shipos nem kadi kadi snem ka khat way ro ya ka ba ju don cho ka way ro ka snem ka bangin mi ha ka list either in the top 10 or in the top 20 nadang perkat ba kani ka pandemic mo le say yo ka ta ek results ba this year after 10 years but there will be a student num don ha ka list ndai kat no ka jing comment ka changi ba ki Khynnah hi ki pen pau ya ka jing la jong ki mo ba ki mi menta ka si language ka list kan ka pen I shisha ba ki Khynnah ki da trishitom ki no hi kai ki da trishitom bat ngakwa hang ni ro ban pen pa ka jing sngo namar kum ka school ngidan ka team ka baklan ba na do jong ka school management mo ringkat ki no hi kai ringkat ki kimi ki pa ki kit kya do kata ngit kum ba pia soi ki di Khynnah ro ada mdei na ki support hayen ling ba ju ki ni online classes ki la ban le kum ki le menta mo ti kata hi ka de ka bani kong na ka team ka jong ki long baklan ba ngila ban pen mi ka di ka results ka ba kum ni ken but ublei ru dan ringkat bat ka school hi kumpula dan hakini kisnem baro ki balayat ka shupen pa ba ngi kum ki Khynnah mo la da pi ong ngi kum ki Khasi ro ngi dei hi ki badan na la de ngi don ya kata ka jing klan ka por perkhat ngi don ka jing klan ya ka na ya kran mu subjects ka maths ka science ro ngi klan mo ti ka shulei tang kata ba ngi ngin ha ban shim mi ka jing ku jing bat kin ban trishitam dei ada ngi trishitam ringkat bat kin ni ka technology ka pami menta te kanum dan ka jing khang la de no yin ro bakin le bhaken ko balapan pa mun taw snam shisha mo ngi laptop ya ka list ro de ni kan Khasi mo ti ka no ngi long proud ni sutna ni ngit ba hakisnem ki ban wan ro natra ki Khynnah ki jongi kin la ban ai ka results ka ba ngar kum ino hi kai mo na ko ai ban chu ai ka way ka message ka jing bagi Khynnah kam tam ha ka ni ka snam menta ka snam ro ngi la ya hadu ban August and ngidang thu ba ngin play school how ban April ngi start a new academic session ngi mo da ka offline ngi la yo mo hanre kadang ya ben da ko online ti ka jing ka tu ka jongi kidang kai ka lombai ki Khynnah mdei ban ken sting but what up ruban ong baka school kan play ngan sakre kot dan ngan sele bahan da play ka school kita ibig ban shim kini ki teknologi ki bangi peran kam ki school hakini ki por menta no bon ki school le menta ngile ki live classes through Google Meet and other platforms can they have to take initiative mangina na yang nginam yo iba ngila phai ki wo I khna kan nu ki shong hayeng bat ki le I ki kam ka debit maki ki don ka tahi ka jingkwa na la de kumbala ong gitu kina mantan ke kwa na la de pin sala shim be kini ki online classes ba ki long be ki ke jing toy pi wadli ken ba ngan sa krekot ndala play school ngan sa le bha ngan da yo le school learning an I daw ba ngam yo ya ka ni ka one on one interaction but kino kai te ngan le bha le ni ngan krekot bha mo re ngit kino kai jongi ngi ko mo ki ong ni le ki audios ki videos and kita shim shitam hadu kata-kata barang baik ki kena la ki don kaman personally ban chat mo but kino kai they are all willing to do that pun ki kena ki yo ya ki jingira da kata ko
Long aku kan kapur ke bah kejing ngu I ba ka pandemic ten rewat kataru long da kejing trestom jong kin hikai kejing arab jong ki kibi pa bat ki khna hi imat ki badon kata kamen siam nei ban poi sha ka thong ha kejing jong ki te ngu I ki yawan hi khmat ke te kani ka long baro ka long ba ka shong ha ka jing ka motivation ki khna ki la yo la se lang ba ki no hikai but leng baki kibi ki pa hero let's say ki ba bot dien ki ba I mean sim ki khun ki ti ba kin plek por ka jing krakot bat ha ki jing pule chung ki te ngi so comment ba ki bun ki khna ki wan sakman and re sur kom hang wi pe ka percentage ka jing pass jong ki khna hi as a whole te long om da I hun hi kin mo ko bun pli ki dang na ki tentang san pu 8% ki ba pas te pa bun hi la se ki pa dia like la ne ki pat poi sha ka thong ka jing kwa ka jing thrang ka jing ki ong is pa shi spa nyo te yo prapo nyo persen ha ka matring nang ta ki higher secondary ting yo 100% hoi ka jing te ka de ka ba ha khmat hi ha bangi kendu kum ka ni ka por ba lo ka ni ka jing kai online ka bangi 4 ju stang 4 ju le menoแต่ในhari jingwan kan jang pandemic pat te umdon gi wei pat gelat te henrei ngai sang de ki online te ka jing sang online ka babun hi le se to ngi kum hang ni ha shlong kan network lumala ki abyang ten re ki jing ka babun pat long na kaliang kinong penyai ru sem jing hi na kaliang kinong hikai ru pli babun le se ngi la ju hikai ha school wan ka por te ban le pat hi ki online ha ki mobile mentang ngi ya shong ba no hikai ong ba bun ki ba janjar mo ban le online ban ai hikai te kham tam long ki ba bun hi ki kimi ki pa ki ba long kim don lat ban thiet ya ki te ki mobile lan ni ban thiet ya ki jun kam ki khun ki ti ban pen biang hakum kan ka po te ki jing te ka ba bun hi ka bangi kan do I hana ki liang ba fer ke